starving artists for the very first time.
Wait, is that just artists that are like really hungry?
Hungry for money.
We can make money?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, sick, let's do it.
Okay, here we are inside the game.
Kenz, what is this place?
I literally, over here it says how to play. Let's read this, okay? 1, start by sitting on your stool to create a piece of art.
Number 2, after you finish your masterpiece, equip it to your canvas.
Ooh, to my canvas. I will be sure to do that.
Oh, Kenz, are you a masterpiece? Do you know how to draw?
I don't know. I'll figure it out. And number 3 is link your art to one of your shirts/game passes. The art's turned into shirts? That's kind of sick.
That's kind of amazing. You can make your own design.
Oh my god, that's amazing. So we like literally are artists. This one's unclaimed over here. Should we use it?
Kenz, what are those people drawing? We need some inspo first.
Oh my gosh, these people are amazing. Is this Kirby?
That's so cute.
You can buy it. Should we buy it?
I think we should buy it to support them.
Should we help a sister out?
Yeah, it's 5 Robux.
5 Robux? But why does it say 15 Robux here?
Oh, the value is 5, but she's selling it for 15.
Wait,
so
what the heck?
It's way above the value.
Okay, I'm gonna buy it. It's
Whatever.
15 Robux. We're buying it.
Aww.
Yay, I got it. That means I supported her. Oh my god, it's
so
gone.
sweet.
Yay, I got it. Oh my god, thanks.
That's
she's so sweet. Pokemon.
What is this cool spot that they have? It's like got balloons and stuff.
Oh my gosh, this is so sick.
I wonder if you can upgrade it if you get like a lot of money.
Oh my gosh, this guy's so good. They kind of look like Minecraft pieces though, don't they?
So cute, it totally does.
They're like glitchy like that. This heart is amazing.
Are they drawing these on like an iPad?
I have no idea. Well, we're about to make one, okay? Let's
Okay.
go claim our table. How the heck am I even supposed to claim this table?
Oh,
E
right
is
there.
claim. Okay, I got it.
Very
Okay.
good.
Now, do I have to sit down?
I think you sit in your little stool.
Oh my gosh.
Ken.
Okay, what should I draw first? What do you think? Should I just test it out and like give it a smiley face to
I
begin?
think you should do like a cuties logo.
You think I can do a cuties logo
Or
like my first
or
thing?
like besties, like besties.
Oh my god, that'd be really cute. Okay, let's start off with a smiley face.
Look, you're good.
Oh my, wait. Oh, whoa, what's going on right now?
Kens!
I'm not pressing anything.
Stop clicking.
Oh my god, what happened? How do I undo? Oh, there we go.
Very
Thank
good.
God.
There's also an eraser, I think. So cute, Ken.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Are its eyes a little too close? Uh-oh. One just got bigger than the other.
It's okay, just make the other one a little bit bigger.
I kind of like it like that, though.
Okay, it's kind of like giving one of those.
Yeah, it's like giving on a... like those things. And then a smiley face, just like that. But I need to fill it... Oh, that was amazing! Go
So
up,
good, Ken.
smiley!
Maybe make it a sun.
Okay, so I should go sunglasses around the eyes?
No, I think the eyes should become sunglasses.
Oh, that's a better idea
So
than
just
I had.
connect the middle
So
and
do
then
like one of these.
Yeah.
And then one of these.
Yeah.
Oh, my sunny is popping off.
Kens, it looks so good.
It's kind of like chilling. It's like vibing out here.
Yeah, it's vibing. This sun is catching a vibe.
And then I need to give the sun its like little points it has. You know what I mean?
You're really good at this, Ken.
Some small points, some big points.
Yeah, I think I'd buy it.
You would buy this?
No.
Oh my god. If anyone's gonna buy it, it's gotta be you because
No.
like you're supposed to be my bestie.
I would totally buy it. I absolutely would.
Would you?
Yeah, I would.
I don't know if I believe you.
No, it's adorable. Please
You would,
believe me.
would you spend your Robux on me?
Yeah.
Okay,
Kens, give
I-
the sky a color.
Oh, do I have to?
Make it blue.
Okay, I'll make it blue. I'll make it blue only for you though, because I was
Okay.
gonna leave it plain.
No, there we go.
Ah, there we go. I just touched all these things. That's literally perfect. So easy.
So cute.
I can literally play this game all day. Do you think anyone's gonna buy my art?
I think so. Okay, name your art here. What are you gonna call it?
Okay,
Kens?
should I call it Sunny the Sun? That's a great idea.
That's adorable.
Sunny the Sun. Oh, she's so cute. Finish.
So cute.
Please, where'd it go? Sunny, where are you at?
Maybe go up to one of the frames to put it on there.
Do I have to?
Add
art.
art.
There's Sunny. Oh, this is the one I bought. Wait, I can resell it. Okay, we did it. Our sun is right here.
Oh my gosh, Kens, you're literally gonna make so much money.
You
5
think so?
Robux?
Yeah,
Oh,
I put it on for 5 Robux.
Kens, look, everybody's crowding around. They love your sun.
My God, I think they like it.
This is amazing.
I think they want to buy it.
Aww. Honestly, maybe while we wait, you should try and paint another one.
Another one?
Yeah, you're kind of a Picasso, Kens.
Oh
They really love your art.
gosh, you are so sweet. Okay, I'll make another one. What should I do though?
Oh my gosh, well, they really like the sun. Maybe you should do like a flower or maybe draw Malibu.
Malibu, like my
Yeah.
puppy?
Yeah, like your puppy.
I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do
You
that.
just do a big puppy face.
Is that the color of Malibu?
I think so.
I think she should be a
Maybe-
little browner.
Yeah.
Just give me my puppy Malibu. Oh, looking at this makes me so happy.
Kens, why does it look like a bug?
What? It doesn't look like a bug.
It's so scary.
That's so. Oh no, I didn't really leave room for her tail.
It's okay, maybe like make it go upwards.
Oh, like this?
Yeah.
I mean, her tail does kind of go up like that.
It's true. So cute.
Do you think she's cute?
Yeah, I think it's really cute.
I'll make her smile. Oh, wait, we need like a red tongue sticking out.
Yes, it looks so scary. It looks like a spider. It needs ears.
Scary. Oh, look, it's her tongue.
Okay, Kenz, I like your puppy better now.
Do you like it? I think I should write her name. I'll write it in pink though because Malibu's favorite color is pink. Okay, her name is Malibu. M-A. Oh no, I'm gonna run out of space. I know it. What the heck L was that, Mal? Boo. Oh no, I went on her tail. Malibu. Cute. That's really cute. Okay, I'm gonna save it. What? They won't let me use the name Malibu? What if I just write my puppy? She's just my puppy. My puppy. Okay, like oh my gosh, I got so many people lining up for me, girl.
They're trying to buy your stuff.
Honestly. Oh, they said they're subscribed to my YouTube channel. That's so sweet.
Thank you.
Maybe they'll see themselves on our video.
That would be adorable.
That'd be really sick.
Oh, hi, Lloyd.
No one's bought my son yet. Someone liked it though. Okay, I'm adding Malibu here.
One eternity later.
Okay, I got Malibu. I put it on the painting.
So cute, Ken.
Do you like it?
Aww.
Which one do you like better? Which one would you buy?
I like the sun better.
What? You don't like Malibu? I'm so telling her that.
You can let her know. I just think the sun makes me feel happy.
The puppy.
So cute.
Yeah, that's my little puppy. Okay, should I make another one?
Yeah, do one more.
Okay, which one should I do now?
I think you should do a bunch of flames with skulls.
No, I'm not doing flames with skulls. You can do that on your own time if you want to do that.
Fine.
Okay, what if I do like a flower and then like I'll do like hills and grass around it? Okay,
I like that.
That'll be really cute.
Yeah.
Should my flower be pink, obviously, because we love it? Oh my god, what the heck is going on here?
That kind of looks like a flower.
No, it does not look like a flower. Okay, I had to restart that. Okay, here we go. 1 petal, 2 petal. Do you like my little floopy flower?
I love it.
Ooh. Ah! I did that so wrong. That was not okay. Oh my god, I had the wrong tool. There, that's like a little more circular, right?
Cute. I love it. Wow.
See, these are my grass fields that I did for you.
It's beautiful. I know you did it just for me.
Now I have to do my blue sky for you too. And I'll just
it.
fill that. Oh my god, my heart. I'm just gonna call it flower. My flower, of course. Yay, okay, now I'm gonna go put it up on my painting. All right, I'm gonna add it. I'm gonna select my flower. Okay, it's up there. Please, someone buy it from me now.
So cute.
Okay, which painting do you guys like the best? Be honest with me though, okay? Don't lie to me. I know when people are lying. Oh, I think she likes the one that's Malibu because she's like, Mabu.
Mabu.
Mabu. All right, Lael, you think you can do this?
Oh, I definitely know I can.
Okay, well, let's see if you can do it better than I can, okay?
Okay. Okay, Kenz, it's time to go.
Were you an artsy kid when you were in school?
I was a little, and I definitely am now. I'm a real artsy kid.
Okay, I'll see about that. But these paintings go off.
Are you kidding me?
That's Mr. Beast? That's a minion?
And Johnny Depp?
Oh my, it's Captain Jack Sparrow.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, I love Johnny Depp. 100 Robux?
I think you should buy one. Which one's your favorite?
Should I?
Yay! Oh my gosh, 100 Robux? You got it, girl. You spend that cash money.
I'm spending all those big bucks.
Honestly, you work hard for that.
Whee!
Oh my god.
Did you see me just go up on the painting?
Just climbed on
Woo!
Oh my, well, you got it. It's now you can put on your t-shirt, bro.
I'm a generous tipper.
Whoa, what is this one doing? A fox! He's a little foxy.
Cute.
You should support. I think you should buy one.
Oh my gosh, what about the big deer?
Oh my god, there's a frog!
And
Look
a
at the froggy!
Kenz, okay, no, we're definitely doing the fox.
Wait, why does it say above your head, generous tipper?
I guess because I bought a really expensive painting, so now I'm kind of like really rich looking to everybody else.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, you got the foxy!
Woo!
Go
So
say thank you to
cute.
him. Okay, I think you should open your own stand.
Okay, I'm opening it now. Right here. I'm gonna claim it.
Alright, you claim that booth.
There we go. Lil Anson YT1.
Oh my god, okay, let's see what you got, okay?
Okay.
Can you draw me?
Should I try?
Yeah, I think you should try.
Okay, let's try.
Okay, what's my skin color look like?
Well,
Take a good look.
you're pretty pink.
Pink? I'm pink?
And pale.
Okay, I'll take pink.
Maybe I'll start off with the background being like a really cool like pink color.
You're gonna start off with a background?
Yeah.
There you go. You got it all pink.
Okay, I got a background. Now I'm gonna draw your face.
That's my face? It's literally white. You think I'm like white?
Yeah?
What the heck?
What do
That's
you
not
think-
even skin color.
Do you think? Yes, it is. Okay, fine. You want something more skin color?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I'll make you a little bit more tan.
Yeah, I have a good tan in the summer. Can't you tell?
That's true.
I have tan lines.
Yep, you can tell people that. I don't know if anyone's gonna believe you.
Okay, that still makes me look so flippin' pale.
Well, Kenz, you are pale. Just get over it. And then I'm gonna draw you a really skinny neck. Okay, I'm gonna draw some pretty eyes.
Why'd you give me a straight line for an eye?
Because I'm gonna give you a little
Wait, you think my eyes are black? I thought my eyes were blue.
Just wait a second. You're not letting me finish.
Hey, I'm sorry. I don't have patience.
2,000 years later.
Oh my gosh, that's like great. Actually, that's a good blue. I like that blue.
Right?
Oh, I'm looking down in the corner. I'm like, ooh, what's down there?
What's down there? Let's get you some really pretty blonde hair. There, like that.
Very cute. Honestly, I'm very impressed with that.
Thanks, bestie.
How long do you think my hair is?
Very long. Like, it touches the floor kind of long.
Of
oh my gosh,
course.
I forgot about your cute mouth.
Yeah, I can't just have no mouth.
A nice little smile.
What about my teeth? Can you get my teeth in
and
there?
a little nose.
Oh my god, is that what my nose looks like?
Teeth. Kens, if I do teeth, you're gonna get really scared.
Really?
Because it's like, like,
Ew, okay, yeah, no. I retract that sentence. I'll just smile like this. No teeth.
and now we need to put on your cute headphones.
Aw, that is cute. That is just like me right now.
Right?
I think we literally look like identical twins. What about my arms? I have no arms unless I'm like this.
Sorry, here, wait.
You're gonna give me black arms?
No, I'm gonna do a little cutout.
Oh, and my armpits.
There's an eyedropper. That means that I can take the color from here and I can put it here.
Genius.
There we go. I think I'm gonna do some little stars in the background.
Stars?
Yeah. Look at these little stars.
Okay, it's kind of cute. Looks like it's snowing black snowflakes. Oh my gosh, relax.
Okay, I think I'm finished.
Okay, yeah, I think you're done. You need to put that away. What are you gonna name it?
My best friend, Ken's.
Aw, that's so sweet.
Yeah, do you like it?
Yeah, I love it, honestly.
Thank you. Okay, I think I'm gonna go put it up there.
Put it in the center one. I
Oh.
feel like I deserve like the centerpiece.
You can have the centerpiece.
Oh, there I am.
So cute, Ken's. I'm gonna sell for 5 Robux.
Oh
You think
my
people are
God.
gonna buy it?
I mean, there's no one around right now. Does that mean nobody likes me?
I think nobody likes me, Ken's.
A few moments later.
What should you do this time? You should do something like your vibe, like kind of scary.
Yeah, I'm gonna do flames.
Oh my gosh. I knew you were gonna do flames.
I really want to do some flames.
Oh my gosh. That's how you draw flames?
You're not waiting for the fantasy,
Okay,
Ken's.
sorry.
Okay, I think all the edges are closed.
Perfect. Fill that up. Kind of cute.
Very
okay, I
good.
feel like it needs some orange in it.
Do a little
Wow.
inside flame.
Now I really want to roast marshmallows on a fire.
Ken's, you're being so boring. This is like HE double hockey sticks kind of fire.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Ooh, see, Ken's, it kind of looks like a flame.
Yeah, it looks not bad.
And then now I'm gonna do in the background some big gray puffs of smoke. Puff 1, puff 2, and then I'm gonna fill it in, and then I'm gonna do some black details on the inside. Okay, hold on, I'll just add some yellow for the fun effect.
yeah, for the bottom. You know how it looks like really hot at the bottom?
I feel there are some good vibes
I feel like
going
this
on
is
here.
pretty cool.
That is cool. Should we change the white to something else?
I feel like dark, like sky night.
Ooh, yeah, like something like a navy.
Exactly, like you're roasting a fire at night or something. Oh, that's kind of sick.
Those are the vibes.
Really cool.
Those are the vibes.
I like that.
Look at that.
What should you name it?
Burn.
Anyways, okay, put it up, put
Okay,
it
I'm
up.
I'm going. It's gonna go right beside my beautiful Ken's.
Aw, that's so sweet. Wee. Is he gonna buy it?
I hope so.
Please buy it from us.
Look at my cool flames. I'm gonna draw a butterfly this time.
A butterfly, that's really cute.
It's gonna be really hard, so I gotta get ready for this. Okay,
Okay, you got this.
We know that we have to do, I'm gonna do black detail and then we'll fill it in with like a really pretty blue.
Okay, go for it.
Okay, or else nobody's gonna understand what this is. There.
Are those the antennas?
Yes.
What do the antennas do? Help them like touch and smell and feel?
Yeah.
Cool. Oh, look at the wings.
So cute.
Did you know all butterflies are symmetrical?
Yes, I did know this.
So what you do to one side, you have to do to the other.
Okay.
That's not looking very symmetrical to me.
How about now?
Okay, I mean, that's not that bad.
Okay, we're vibing.
Okay, let's fill in the middle.
I'm gonna do some little dots.
Black dots?
Yeah, because all of them have those black dots.
They do?
Yes, they do.
I feel like I've never looked at a butterfly this closely before.
Then, Kens, how can you judge me? Okay, Kens, I tried my best, but I don't really know what else I'm supposed to do here.
You're supposed to fill it in
No,
now with
I
colors.
know. Kens, I'm saying about the symmetry.
Oh, yeah, no, there's nothing you can do.
No.
It's false hope.
Okay, now I think I should add some of that pretty blue color.
You can do like little oh, that's so cute.
There we go. And then I'm gonna add a little sun in the background.
That's very cute.
Thanks.
You could just give it like a little smiley face, just like 2 dots and a little wee.
Okay, I'll try to make it this side big and then I'll give it a little.
I always used to make my sons in the corner like that, like literally all the time.
So cute. Okay, let's give it a little eye and smile.
That's kind of cute. I like that.
Okay, now I'll do some little rays. Well,
Yeah, that works. I
There
mean,
we
that's
go.
not bad. Now you have to fill in the background.
we're gonna do nice blue sky.
Aw.
But it needs to be a little bit darker because our butterfly's already a
It
sky
can be like
blue.
at nighttime.
Ooh, a sunset.
Ooh, very cute. Like an orangey?
Yeah, so what if we do like a little orangey into like some pink?
So cute.
Okay, let's make it a little dark. Kenz, I'm making a little sunset now.
Does sunsets really look like that?
Kenz, just wait. It's gonna go into a pink and it's totally gonna look like a sunset.
Okay, sure. I'll believe it when I see it.
12 seconds later.
Aw, that's kind of cute.
I think it's very cute, but it's kind of weird if there's a sunset and then there's a sun in the corner.
No, I like the sun. Leave the sun. He's
Okay,
cute.
fine.
I've named him Fred.
I'm gonna call it a butter butt.
A butter butt? Like a butterfly butt? Ha, you can't say butt.
Dang it. Butterfly then.
Yeah, just plain old butterfly. Cute. Now go put it up. Go put it up. It's
Okay,
your last
I'm
one.
going. I think this boy likes my art.
I think he does too. He's really waiting for you to make one for like 1 Robux.
Okay, Ken. Oh my gosh, did you see what just popped up over here?
Yeah, she just built a candy land out here.
Unbelievable. So Ken's, now in summary, we have a nice butterfly,
Very cute.
a Mackenzie Turner,
Very cute.
and some flames with some smoke.
Adorable. Ask him which one's his favorite.
Which one's your fave?
The flame one, obviously, because he's a boy.
Oh, he loves the flame one.
Just like you. I think you're a boy deep down.
I think so too. That one, Ken's, you were right. It is the flame one.
I knew it. Obviously, who is jumping on top of it? All right, let us know in the comments below which paintings you like better, mine or Lael's.
Obviously mine.
No, mine. Pick me, pick me, pick me.